Hello everyone, welcome to Robotics Live. Today we are focusing on the industry-wide challenge of aluminum tank welding to showcase LE's solution. As is widely known in the industry, aluminum is inherently soft, and the most prominent issue during welding is its tendency to deform. This is especially true for thin-walled workpieces like tanks. Traditional manual welding has obvious drawbacks. After welding, tanks either bulge or warp, leading to persistently high scrap rates and causing great trouble in production. Even with conventional robotic welding, the core problem remains unsolved. On one hand, it fails to address thermal deformation. On the other hand, weld seams are prone to defects, such as porosity and cracks, resulting in inconsistent welding quality. What you are seeing now is the operation site of LE intelligent welding robots equipped with a dual pulse process. This solution precisely controls heat input during welding, as evidenced by the actual results. Weld seams are smooth and glossy. Tanks achieve nearly zero deformation after welding, and the welding qualification rate remains consistently at 100%. The application of this process not only drastically cuts rework costs, but also significantly boosts production efficiency, enabling enterprises to fulfill customer orders efficiently. Going forward, we'll bring more application cases of LE intelligent welding on different materials and workpieces. We welcome everyone to engage in discussions anytime.